What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another little vlog. I'm actually on the way out. I am going to pick up, there's so much lighting. I'm on the way out, going to the Acura Honda dealer. I'm picking up the base plate for the Type R wing. I have the carbon fiber one. I'm actually trading it with a good buddy from Instagram, and I'm on the way over there. I also got to pick up the gasket that goes between the lip kit, the lip and the bumper, the Type R lip and the bumper, because I don't want it to get scratched. It's like a little gasket that goes in between. And hopefully we pick up the rest of the parts for the car, because I think they're painted. So let's go. Alright guys, so I just made it to the Acura dealer. So I brought in the carbon fiber piece that it's for the backing plate of the wing, which I'm going to trade for the OEM one. So let's get it. Alright guys, so it's been like a day that I went to the dealer and I picked up some stuff. I had to do some errands and stuff like that, so I didn't keep recording. So basically, just want to run you by. I picked up some parts for the car, some final stuff, and I did install the CTR lip, as you guys can see there. And it does have like a little secret to it, and I'm going to show you guys what I did. Probably some of you guys have done it, probably some of you haven't. If you guys are new to the channel, remember to subscribe and follow the Instagram if you want to keep up to the videos. What I want to show you, it's a small little detail that makes a big difference when you paint a car. You see it on the S2000s, you see it on the new Gens SI. I'm pretty sure you see it on other cars, but it kind of popped into my head and I'm like, man, I'm gonna do it. So basically, just a quick rundown of some of the stuff that I got. I only got like a few little things, and obviously installed the CTR lip, but I figured I uploaded some content. So first things first, I finally was able to get a OEM base plate for the Type R wing. This obviously need a lot of cleaning and probably needs some paint. I got it from Chef Leo on Instagram. I gave him we basically traded my carbon fiber one for his. I think this obviously has been painted. You can see some of the spray paint, but it's OEM Honda. Comes with all the bolts. And let's mock it up, because I actually want to see how it looks on the car, because I never really liked the carbon fiber one that I had. It was from Sabon. It's not Saibon, it's from Sabon, and I got that corrective the other day at the throttle video, that the throttle channel, that they uploaded the video because they're building a hatch, and I finally got it. But it was from Sabon, and I didn't like how it fit. I didn't like the carbon fiber look on it. It was actually a previous car that you guys might know who it is, and it was from the X Top line hatch. Actually, let me put the camera down. Maybe we'll go into like a little time lapse putting this on, not putting it on, but mocking it up. So yeah, let me put it down here in the car. All right, so basically this is how it sits. I'll leave it on here until I get the Type R wing back from the paint shop. It does need some cleaning, so I definitely gotta clean it up. But I was definitely looking for the OEM one. You guys know I'm a big fanatic to OEM. Just kind of restoring these cars back to OEM piece. I was able to put everything back on in the back. Got the trunk lid with the speaker coverage. So coming down to the lip, as you guys can see, I did the molding that goes between the lip and the bumper. And the reason I wanted to do that, because if you don't do the molding, which I'm sure the EK9 didn't have it, but I could be wrong, it probably could have had it from Japan, the lip will sit and it will hit the paint, and I don't want this plastic to hit the paint there, and through time getting potholes or going over, you know, at high speeds or whatever, it'll scratch it. I don't want to do that. So I put the lip all the way around, as you can see there, and it goes all the way to the back, all around, and it goes all the way here. And it was a bit of a pain in the butt to put it on, because when you put it on, this bumper tends to squeeze this in and kind of like swallow it. So you kind of have to take a knife, very thin knife, very delicate, and when you put it on and you put it in and you tighten it, you got to stick the knife and you got to kind of pry it up and pop it up and pop it up in order to get that look, or how it sits like this. I still have to maybe do it a little bit better, but it will protect it. It will protect the paint, and it will protect this too, and it will protect the paint here. I actually want to get into a slow-mo. I haven't done slow-mos in a while, so let's get into a quick B-roll. So I was able to pick those two things up. I was able to get the base plate and that molding. I probably got to get another one for the front. I definitely got to get another one for the front. I actually have it here. I want to show you guys how it looks, so you guys can have an idea of what the little gasket looks like. I've been storing everything away in the little Mugen toolbox, so I've been just putting all the tools and stuff like that there. So this is basically how it looks. As you guys can see, it's like kind of like a little triangle-ish, and you just pull the 3M tape there and you put it in the bumper. I also got some Mugen plate bolts, I guess, for the plate. I actually had a gift card and I went ahead and I ordered them. They look pretty dope. They look nice. This is what it looks like. Had the Circuit Sport plate on it, but this is what it looks like, and they look pretty fresh. They look nice, man. But at least for the car, the interior is already complete. Everything is on the interior. Let me give you guys a quick rundown on the interior. Not a quick rundown, but let me show you guys the interior. I still got to pick it up because I'm still doing last little tight-ups on it. Obviously, still got to get the door panel on that one because I'm waiting for the base plate to come back from that. I also had this. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I had the block off plate since I did the APR mirrors. But these door panels are just trash. This thing doesn't even fit well. This has molding on it. I got to clean it up. But I'm definitely going for the CTR manual ones that they're all over in ICB. I has them. The rug is already in the CTR rug. That rug right there is destroyed, so I got to get the actual mat, the CTR mats. But the interior is back on. I mean, everything is pretty much on back there. Just got to get the door panel, and everything should be good to go and ready to. I'm trying to get the new collar that hybrid racing cells for this shift knob. Basically, if I push this down, it'll stay there, but if I push it all the way up with the collar, it'll stay there, and I think it will look very nice. And that's about it. And so for now, I mocked up the bumper, waiting to get the parts back and finish completing the car and give you guys a nice, good video overall, B-roll of the car, slow-mos, time-lapse, everything of putting back the car. I got some really great videos ideas. But other than that, it was just a quick video for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I also have the Mugen exhaust I got to put on. That's another thing that's coming up next. I got to polish it and I got to kind of restore it because it needs it. That Mugen exhaust, that Mugen twin loop needs it. And I want to give you guys a quick look how the CTR lip looks in the rear. It looks amazing. I love it.